Hi, all first year student. Welcome to the online teaching learning process in NHITM. My name is Dayanand More, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department. Today, in this lecture, we are going to see the cycloidal and involute curve from engineering graphics. The subject is for first year student. So let us see one by one the involute curve and how to draw the tangent and normal to that curve. Let me share my screen with you. Now let us see how to draw the involute of a circle whose string length equal to the circumference of a circle. Draw a circle of the given diameter. Then divide that circle into 8 equal number of parts. Give the numbering to that circle in anti-clockwise direction as shown in figure. Next, draw a line at the base of a circle whose length equal to the circumference of a circle. Hence, the length of the line AP is pi d, pi into diameter of that circle. Then divide that pi d line into 8 equal number of parts. Give the numbering as shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Means if you wound that line AP around that circle, it will occupy whole circumference of a circle. Next, draw a line tangent at point A on the circumference of at point 1 at the circumference of a circle. Then draw a line tangent at point 2 on the circumference of a circle. Then a line tangent at point 3. Then a line tangent at point 4 and so on. Now take a distance of 1 to P in compass on the pi d line. Put one end of the compass at point 1 on the circumference of a circle and cut the tangent at point P1, 1 to P. Next, take a distance of 2 to P from the baseline pi d. Put one end of the compass at point 2. Cut the line tangent at point P2. Then 3 to P. Then 4 to P. Then 5 to P. Then 6 to P. Then 7 to P. Okay. In this way, we will mark all the points on the respective tangent. Now, draw a smooth curve passing through all these points. It will join at point A. In this way, construction of involute of a circle is done. I hope you understood this. Now, let us see how to draw tangent and normal to the involute curve. We already saw how to construct the involute of a circle. Now let's suppose a point Q on the curve. Then from that point Q, draw a line which meets at point C. And take the midpoint of that line CQ and construct a semicircle. That semicircle is intersect with the main circle at somewhere around point 1. From that intersection point, draw a line which passes through point Q. That line is called as normal to the curve. Now, draw a line perpendicular to that normal, and that line is called as tangent. I hope you understood how to construct the involute and how to construct the tangent and normal to the curve. Thank you. For any queries or feedback, you can reach me at dayanandmore@nhitm.ac.in.